In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate a ton of Google search phrases from one keyword or key phrase, and it's going to be a very simple automation. We're not doing AppScript, we're not doing anything other than a bit of formula. So we're going to use equal sign, and we're going to reference this cell B1. Then we're going to use an ampersand, and we're going to say tips in quotes. We need a space in front of the word tips. And there we go, we got our first one. Now, what I'm about to do is just going to do the same thing over and over again. It's very much like SearchLord. SearchLord is a totally free sheet where you can type in one phrase and get a ton of websites that are the search website, the search URL for that keyword or key phrase, and it adds it all. It's totally free. Go check it out, SheetLord, bettersheets.co/SheetLord. But right here in this tip, I'm going to keep adding some more things. Like I'm going to do equals B. Actually, I'm going to do equals best space, then ampersand, and then in quotes, tips. We're going to add B1 and then another ampersand right there. So we get that, and we need to copy the format. There we go. So we can see it a little bit better. Equals, in quotes, top 10 space, ampersand, Google Sheets. And then let's do free tools for space, quote, ampersand, Google Sheets. And you can see that we can just keep adding more and more and more of these, and we're going to get a lot of really cool things. So I added a ton here: best Google Sheet tips, how to Google Sheets, complete guide to Google Sheets, but we can change this to whatever you're doing, digital marketing perhaps, or SEO guide, how to local SEO in New Zealand, why local SEO in New Zealand is important. And we have a ton of these. This is really cool to generate a ton of text and generate a ton of really cool Google search phrases from one keyword. If you want to change that keyword over and over and over again, but you want to get the output of all these, this is how you do it. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.